Welcome to part 6 of the full no bullshit YouTube ads course. And this time we're talking about validating our new front end product, because we've talked a lot about how important our product is for making YouTube ads easy. We want to build a product that makes YouTube ads easy or improve our current product so YouTube ads will be easy. We have to make a great front end product. And now you should have a great idea how this product would look like for you in your specific situation, in your market, how your product should look like. But we won't just go and build this product blindly. We want to validate it. And this is what this video is all about. So we want to minimize the risk, because we don't want to just start and build this product blindly, because then we would risk investing lots of time and lots of money and lots of resources in building this product and then find out that ultimately nobody wants it. Imagine this. You have your idea right now, how your product should look like, how your front-end product should be, like what it should be, the product itself. And then you just go and build it blindly. It takes you maybe 3 months, or maybe it takes you half a year, and it costs you $20,000 and a lot of resources. It's a lot of effort to build this product. And after half a year, you're finished with this product. And then you go to market with this product and then find out nobody wants it. You've wasted $20,000, lots of resources, lots of effort, and half a year. Simply because you didn't validate the product first. You just went and built the product blindly and then figured out that nobody wanted it. So ideally, we want proof that the product will work before we even build it. We want to know that this product will 100% work before we even build the real product. And in order for the product to work, it has to fit the customer's wants and needs. Great product always fit the customer's wants and needs. And to find this out, we have to interact with them, with the customers, and sell them and get a feedback. We can't find out the customer's wants and needs without talking to them. We have to engage with our target audience. We have to join the groups. We have to talk to them via direct messages. We have to get on calls with them. We have to interact with our target audience to find out what their wants and needs are, and then solve these wants and needs with our product. And the best way to figure this out is to build an MVP, and minimum viable product, and then try to sell it to our target audience. A minimum viable product is like the fastest and cheapest version of your product idea. You have your great product idea, it's the whole product, and the minimum viable version is like the fastest version you can get out. Like the version of your product concept that you can get out the quickest and the cheapest, simply to test it really quick. That's an MVP. And we want to build such an MVP for our product idea. And let's say this is our MVP, for example. It looks to the customer, it looks like a full-on product. It looks like a real product that has been fully developed. But we know that's an MVP. It's just a fast, initial, quick version that we just get out as quick as possible to test the market if it responds to this type of product. So let's just say this is our MVP. It looks like a real product. And then we sell it to our target audience. So we join communities, we join groups, we get on private messages, like we send people DMs, we get on phone calls with people, we try to sell them this product. And ideally, we actually sell them this product. So ideally, they actually pay us. But of course, we would refund them because the product isn't really finished. It's not a full-on product. So if they actually pay us, we would refund them and put them on a waiting list and explain, hey, this was just a test. But this is the ultimate validation if they pay you money. But at the beginning, you sell it to them, and most of the time at the beginning, they will probably not give you money. But what they will give you is feedback. Why they didn't buy. Was it too expensive? Was the problem not hard enough that you were solving with your solution? Did the solution seem too complicated? Weren't they trusting the solution? So you have to gather this feedback why they didn't want to buy a solution, and then iterate and improve your product idea. You take this product idea and you take the feedback why they didn't want to buy it, and then improve. And then again, you will try to sell the improved version of the MVP. And you go in the cycle. You just repeat the cycle. You sell it, get a feedback why they didn't buy, improve. New version. Sell it, feedback why they didn't buy, improve. New version. And eventually they will buy. Eventually, most of your target audience will actually want to buy your MVP. And then we have a validated product idea. Then our product idea is validated, and we know if we build this product, the demand is there. We've just proved it. we get to the market, we get to our customers, we sell them this product and they actually want it and they actually paid us. Of course, it's an MVP. We'll refund them the amount and say, hey, it was just a test. The product isn't finished yet. We'll put you on a waiting list and so on. And yes, building an MVP takes some time and effort. And yes, selling the MVP also takes some time, money, and effort. But in total, it's way less time, way less money, and way less effort than building the full product instantly just to find out that it fails. It's way less effort, way less money, and you need way less time to build an MVP and validate it, and then have 100% confidence that this product will work. That's way easier than just building the full-on product and just blindly, just guessing, and then to find out that it doesn't work. That's really painful. So always try to validate your product idea via an MVP before building the actual full-on product. Because validating the idea with an MVP gives us safety to build a full product, because now we know this will work because it has already worked with the MVP, so the full version will work as well. So keep that in mind. Never just blindly build an entire product. Always validate it first with an MVP.